Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to remove a repost on X. So first of all, of course, open X application on your device, and then you have to go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and then select profile option. Now make sure that you are in the section with your posts, and here you have to find a specific post that you want to remove a repost from. And under the post you have to tap repost icon that looks like two arrows in square, and finally select option undo repost. As I have seen, this repost is immediately removed from my profile, and now it's no longer on my profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.